3, 2, 1.
Okay, folks, this is the video for Drumbot Level 5. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Drumbot to make rhythm patterns that are longer than 1 bar. So how you can make a 2-bar pattern or a 4-bar pattern. We're going to start with a 2-bar pattern for Level 5. So let's open up our Drumbot. And the first thing we'll do, we always just start by opening up the empty kit we made in level 1, and that gets us going nice and fast. So I'll find my empty kit. And of course, I have a lot more files to search through than you do. Make sure I'm in the right folder to start with. Okay, so I'll open my empty kit. And I'll just start. Still, we're going to just stick with TTs along the top and just make it a simple backbeat. Okay, so there we go. And let's just do a simple pattern on the kick drum. So we're not going to do any syncopation. We'll just do 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Kick, kick, snare, kick, kick, snare. Here we go. Here is what it sounds like. Okay, so that was just a simple beat, just for an example. So you can make any kind of backbeat that you like. But please make it a backbeat. So snare stays on 2 and 4. And for right now, let's make it no syncopation for our first bar. So now, if we look down here in this area down here, we can see that we have space to make actually 6 different patterns, 6 bars. So A, B, C, D, E, F. So we've made pattern A. So we can make pattern B. Now we could, if we wanted to, start from scratch again, but there's a much faster way to do it. So I'm going to go back to A. And what I'm going to do when I'm on A, I'm going to go here where there's a target. And I'm going to pick up the target with my mouse and I'm going to drag it over to B. And that's going to copy everything from A to B. So now I'm on B, and A, B looks the same, right? So here's pattern A. And here's pattern B. Okay, exactly the same. Now, if you want to get rid of a pattern, so if I want to get rid of B, then I take B and I drag it over to the trash can, and that gets rid of it. So now B's empty again, but I want to have A copied to B. So I'll show you again. So I click on the target, pick up the target, drop it on B, and now A is copied to B. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the kick drum pattern that I made, which has no syncopation. Everything starts on the beat 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and I'm going to add some syncopation. So let's take that, and instead of 3 and, let's do and 3. So 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. So here is pattern B now. Okay, and here is pattern A. Okay, so now we have 2 bars that we've made. So now I'm going to show you how to string them together so you can play them all at once, okay? So I'm going to pick up A, and I'm going to drag it over here, and I'm going to drop it there. Then I'm going to pick up B, and I'm going to drop it there. Okay, and so now if I click play down here, on this play, not up here, because this one will just play the pattern that I'm on. So that will just play pattern A. But if I click down here, this is going to play anything I put in there. Okay, so it's going to go A, B, and then repeat. A, B, A, B, A, B. So now let's listen to A and B together. pattern A. Oh, sorry, I guess that stopped it. Okay, so I can't switch. I wanted to switch and show you while it was playing, but there's pattern A, there's pattern B, and it was playing together. So pattern A had no syncopation, pattern B has syncopation. So let's listen to it together one more time. Okay, so that's how you make a pattern that's more than one bar long. And now, of course, we have C, D, E, F. So you could play around on your own time and you could make lots of patterns and you could make long combinations if you wanted to and make a really long thing. We're going to be doing that later when you start to make longer pieces of music. But for level 5, we're just doing an A, B pattern. Okay, so now I want A to have no syncopation. And then I want B to take A and syncopate it. So again, A, copy it to B, and then I'm going to take A and I'm going to syncopate it by moving it off the beat. Okay, so there was A, and then I moved it off the beat to make it syncopated. And there's my A-B pattern. Okay, so now I'm going to save. And I'm going to call it Drumbot Level 5, A, B pattern. Drumbot Level 5, A, B pattern. Save, and after you send it to me in Google Classroom, you are done Level 5. That's the only file you need to make for Level 5. Okay.